Hey everyone, welcome to NextGen Tech Hacks. Today, I'll show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to Windows PC without installing any third-party apps on Windows. This method is fast, simple, and works using Wi-Fi, no cables or extra software needed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Step 1. Connect both devices to same Wi-Fi. Before we begin, ensure that your Android phone and Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important, otherwise, the transfer will not work. Step 2. Open ShareMe App on your phone. Most Xiaomi, Poco and Redmi phones come with the ShareMe App pre-installed. If your device does not have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Open the ShareMe app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Select Share to PC. Step 3. Start the connection. Next, you need to start the file sharing process. Tap Start. Choose a connection type. You have two options. Password protected, if you want a secure transfer. Portable, which is not secure but allows for quicker file sharing without a password. For this guide, I will use portable mode, as it is the easiest option. Tick the box that says Remember my choice and tap OK. Now, select the storage location where your files are saved, either internal storage or SD card. Step 4. Enter FTP address in Windows PC. Your phone will now display an FTP address, something like FTP://192.168.xxx.xxx2121. On your Windows PC, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type the FTP address exactly as shown on your phone. Press Enter, and your phone storage will appear on your PC screen just like a normal drive. Step 5. Transferring files. Now that your phone is connected to your PC, file transfer is easy. Browse your phone's folders in Windows Explorer, such as DCIM, Photos, or Downloads. Find the files you want to transfer. Right-click, choose Copy, and paste them anywhere on your PC. Your files will start transferring wirelessly. The speed depends on your Wi-Fi quality, but it usually works smoothly. While your files are being transferred, you can continue using your phone for other tasks. You can open any other apps, such as calculator or clock, and continue working as usual. You can even explore the Smart Study Blogs app, available on the Play Store, and read useful content based on your interests while the transfer completes. Step 6. Disconnect after transfer. Once you have transferred everything, you should stop the FTP connection to keep your phone secure. Open the ShareMe app. Tap Stop to disconnect from the PC. Now, your phone is no longer accessible from the computer unless you start the connection again. And that is it. File transfer made super easy, no extra apps needed in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to NextGen Tech for more tech guides and tricks.